This skin-loving soap recipe is packed with healthful herbs that almost all skin types can benefit from. Since the times of ancient Greece, yarrow has been used in ointment to treat wounds. Yarrow may increase fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for regenerating connective tissue and helping your body recover from injury. Annatto seeds are high in vitamin E. They are also a rich source of antioxidants, which are beneficial for protecting skin cells, as well as minerals like calcium, sodium, and iron. They have antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It is said to be effective for healing minor skin wounds, and it stimulates the production of melanin and gives the skin a healthy glow. Spirulina can boost the overall health and radiant appearance of your skin, as well as preventing acne buildup and swelling. Rich in nutrients, vitamins, and both fatty and amino acids, spirulina decreases inflammation, tones the skin, and encourages cell turnover to promote a more youthful looking complexion. Poppy seeds being a powerhouse of antioxidants and essential nutrients, they reduce skin inflammation, scalp infections, and promote overall skin and hair health. The high amount of linoleic acid in poppy makes it extremely effective for treating eczema, burns, and itching. This soap is topped with calendula petals. By promoting the production of collagen, an essential protein in glowing skin, calendula aids in sustaining hydrated skin. With all that being said, let's get to the soap making process.
I wish to be me.
like the full recipe to this soap and the step-by-step process, I'll link Anne-Marie's book in the description where you can get this recipe and many more natural soap recipes that'll leave your skin feeling nourished. Thanks for watching.